What's going on, guys? In this episode of Should I Invest, we're going to be talking about Disney. But before I get into it, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below what stock you want me to do next. But let's dive right in. So I have my handy dandy MarketSmith tool. This is a tool that I use every single time to research stocks for my long-term portfolio, as well as find stocks that I want to trade on a day-to-day basis. It gives us all the information regarding fund ownership, EPS, all the past earnings histories. Everything is given to us in a nice little quick synopsis that we can make an educated decision on. All right, and I have my handy dandy Excel sheet that's going to tell us whether or not it's a pass or fail. And of course, I have Yahoo Finance to give us a little bit more of the financial information. So let's go ahead and get started. Disney, we're going to plug that in. EPS is green. We have a PE that the balance sheet, the Excel sheet doesn't like. So let's go ahead and look at return on equity. Right here on MarketSmith, we get return on equity. It's a 7%. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Next, we're going to look at total debt to total assets. All right, so we're going to go ahead, pull up Yahoo Finance. We're going to go to balance sheet and total debt. We're looking at right here. Total debt is, well, that's current. So let's go to total 95.2. So we're going to plug that in here. All right, now we're looking at total assets. Total assets again is up here. Look at that at 2.14. So we can pay off our total debt at least 2 times. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at current debt. To do that, we're going to come up here. We're just going to scroll up here. Current liabilities. Plug that in, and then current assets. Plug that in here. So about 1, exactly 1 actually, which is what we're looking for. It's on the cusp. All right, now let's look at operating income. Perfect. Operating income is right here. We're going to plug that in, and then we're going to look at total revenue, and we're going to plug that in as well. All right, so 8%, a little bit on the low side. So with that said, let's go and see if the cash flow is at least there. Right, to do that, we're going to go to cash flow tab, 17, 35, 19, 16, and 94. Ouch. So it is actually decreasing. Now let's take a look at how much is owned by management. To do that, we're going to jump back to MarketSmith again. Management owns 1%, which is pretty standard across the board on a lot of these companies that we've researched recently. So that is that. And then let's go ahead here and look at the fund owners. Are they increasing or decreasing? And again, to do that, we're going to use MarketSmith, and we can see here we're looking at 40, 40, 40, 39, 393, 394, 397, and 38. So from March to June, they've actually decreased, and from September 2021, they've actually decreased as well. So obviously, this is giving us a fail. Let's see what happens if this was an increase. Still not doing it, right? So Disney, obviously a name that's coming down to around, it's currently sitting at around 89, a level where it's found pretty good, I guess, average price in the past, few years. This is dating back to, what are we looking at here? 2015, right? So anytime it comes around this $90, $85 area, it seems to be a good buy dating back to 2015. So maybe this is where they start turning things around. It's giving you the level of consolidation here. So what's the game plan here? If this is a company you like, the numbers weren't horrific, but the Excel sheet just didn't give it a pass. This is something maybe you can start 1/3 position size and start around this 89 level, dollar cost average, and hold it in your long term. Obviously, it's a name that's been around for decades, and maybe something that could turn around here in the next few years to come. Okay, so definitely something I'd be interested in. I'd look into it a little bit more, do a little bit more research. Clearly on an average number area, this area right here around 87, 89 looks like a good area. So possibly something you can start a position on and dollar cost average in the next months or so. All right, so if you guys did find value in this, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, and also comment down below what stock you want me to do next. Leave penny stocks out, give me some good companies, and I'll be more than happy to make a video for you guys. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.